trouble, Dad. You didn't have to have Aunt Tess come and stay.
Yeah, she's creepy.
I can handle things.
I know you can, but you're on vacation, and I want you to have some free time to yourself. Besides, I feel really bad that I'm not going to be around this weekend to help you with the yard work. This way, you can go out Saturday night if you'd like.
Yeah, well...
Besides, I understand Aunt Tess loves to cook. You guys are in for some great meals.
Whatever happened to that weird son of hers? Did he ever get out of prison?
Yes, as a matter of fact, he did. But listen, I don't want any of you bringing up that subject, okay? It isn't polite, and I'm sure that Aunt Tess does not want to discuss Kim. He's been nothing but trouble for her. It's a shame, really.
I never liked him. There was always something funny going on behind his eyes.
Yeah, he scared me. Me too.
Just promise me that you'll be as nice as you can to Aunt Tess. I don't want her feeling unwanted or out of place. And I think it's awfully nice of her just to offer to take care of you guys for the weekend. And it's only for 2 days. I think you can handle it, right?
Hey, Dad, listen, about that 10-speed that I've been wanting to get.
Tom, we've already discussed this. I still think you're a little bit too young for that bike. It's a big bike and a big responsibility, okay?
Okay.
Oh, wow. I better get moving. I don't want to be late for her train.